If you are a U.S. taxpayer looking for budget-friendly tax software, you might be deciding between TaxSlayer Pro and Jackson Hewitt Online. Both are designed to make filing taxes easier, but they take different approaches. Jackson Hewitt Online is simple, straightforward, and ideal for people with basic tax returns. TaxSlayer Pro leans more toward those with complex returns or professional needs. Understanding how each works can help you pick the right one for your situation. TaxSlayer Pro, on the other hand, is built for more complicated tax situations. It comes with advanced features for self-employed individuals, investors, or anyone dealing with multiple forms. You get unlimited e-filing and access to tools that let you handle more sophisticated tax scenarios. It also has mobile access, which is handy if you want to prepare or review returns on the go. The cost is higher, but you are paying for professional-grade features. Jackson Hewitt Online is great if you want something easy to use and affordable. For a flat fee, you can file both federal and state returns without worrying about hidden costs. The platform walks you through each step, checks for common errors, and even offers live chat support if you need help. They also have a guarantee that if you find a bigger refund elsewhere, you get your filing fee back. It is reliable and predictable, which is perfect for simple returns. In short, if your taxes are simple and you want something affordable and user-friendly, Jackson Hewitt Online is a solid pick. If you have a complex situation or want professional-level tools, TaxSlayer Pro is the way to go. Consider your tax needs and budget carefully. Both platforms can get the job done, but the best choice depends on how much support and complexity you need in your filing process.